Let me tell you about the greatest business opportunity of 2025 and maybe even of this decade. The same business opportunity that's allowed me to make amounts just like this over the past 5 years from online business. What is it? How does it work? Well, the first thing I'll tell you is that everybody that's growing massively is doing this right now. And it doesn't matter what industry you're in. You could be in sales, insurance, real estate, Amazon, YouTube, drop shipping, TikTok. You'd be trying to raise money. And this is still the most powerful thing that everybody needs to have and should have right now. And before I tell you what it is, don't click off when I tell you, okay? I'm not just revealing it. I'm talking about how it's actually done, how I did it successfully to make money just like this for my agency and my consulting company, and how plenty of other people that I work with are actively doing it right now, no matter what industry or niche they're in. So what is it? What is the thing? What is the thing that all the big power players are doing right now? It is quite simple. It is quite simple. It is personal brand. Okay, and there's a couple ways to do it. There's a couple options, and depending on your individual situation, I'll walk through that. But you even let's look at Trump and Musk. Okay, the two biggest names in America right now. What do they have? They have personal brands. They have millions of followers online. They were in the media before that. They have personal brands. People are talking about them all the time. They have a brand that helps them grow their businesses, get what they want, do politics, whatever it is. So whatever you want to do in life, your personal brand is basically your digital business card. It's your digital business card. Somebody wants to know who you are. They want to do business with you. They're going to look you up. They're no longer asking for your business card and just look at your website. They want to know who you are and what you do. They want to see your personal brand. They want to see your social media. So, what is my story? How did I even get here to start talking about personal brands? Well, I started building Instagram theme pages back in 2018, 2019. I got pretty good at it, and I started documenting the process on Twitter and Instagram, just like kind of tweeting out, like talking to people, saying what's up, this is what I'm doing, this is how it works, networking really, meeting people in the space, getting opportunities from that. And I started to get a lot of DMs, people just reaching out like, yo, can you help me too? Like, how does this work? And from there, I was like, okay, yeah, sure, I can help. And I had a lot of people that even wanted to build their personal brands because mine had started to grow, and my pages had obviously grown on social media. And they said, I want your help with my personal brand. So I built my agency, and I started to document the growth of the agency too during that time. But I built it with a pretty small audience. You can see there's 47K on Twitter today and 30K on IG, and I've been making this money since 2019, 2020. And so it's been happening for a while with a much smaller audience. It doesn't take a big audience to get crazy results like this that I showed you. It just takes the right formula and the right setup. But I documented, and then I started to build my brand, and people came to me and they said, I want your help. I want to know what you got going on. You seem like an expert. And I would talk with them, and I was just real, and it kind of happened. My business grew from there. It just sort of happened. It just clicked. I wasn't even trying too hard. I was just kind of like, here's what I'm doing. Here's how it works. All of that. I was sharing things. So what are the three options? There really are three options depending on your unique scenario. What I'm first going to tell you is that everything revolves around a couple things: your passions, your skills, your expertise, and your ideas, I guess you could also say. These things. If you have passions, you have skills, you have expertise, you have ideas, you can build a personal brand. We all have that. Maybe you're really good at knitting. Okay, maybe you're really good at knitting. You could document that and probably start a successful business if you can get enough people to watch your content. And if you follow the right system, you can get a bunch of people to watch your content. If you're looking for a system, you're interested so far, we have a free doc below. You can go click into the description and grab that. You can also just look on our channel. We have a bunch of videos that go over exactly how to start stuff like this and do this step by step. But really, let's go over the three options. So if you're not successful yet, you're just out of college or you dropped out of high school and you're just trying to start some stuff and whatever, don't try to act like an expert. Just go out there and document. And I would even say that if you're already successful or have a big business, you should still be documenting. Documentation is the foundation of personal brands because it's you. It's your thoughts. It's your way of doing things. It's what you're doing at any given moment. You need to be documenting. Secondarily, if you're already successful, you should document, but you should also start posting and teaching and sharing your insights ASAP. Like, go out there and start pumping it and like, yo guys, like, I've done this. This is my brand. These are my accomplishments. This is what I've done. This is why I've done it. I'd like to connect with similar people, yada, 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 etc. That's what you go do if you're already successful. And then if you have a business, you use your personal brand to grow the business. Let's say you raise money and you're a real estate guy. Why would you just not get online? You see all these people raising money online. Look at Grant Cardone. Raised billions of dollars. Why wouldn't you also get online? Even if you get 20K followers, you have a tight-knit 20K followers, they all got money. You can use your personal brand to grow and raise more money, or sell your current products, or be the face of your business in your industry, whatever it is. Doesn't matter what industry you're in. Could be insurance, could be sales, like I said, could be any of these things. Could be e-commerce. You could have a physical business. You could have a landscaping business. All sorts of things, and they lead to all sorts of opportunities. And these are your three options. So if you're not successful, you document. If you're successful, you document and post and teach and share your insights. And you already have a business. You do all of that, but you use the brand to grow the current business. It's leverage. People knowing you that could potentially be your customers, or also know other people that also like you, they trust you, that follow your brand and watch your stuff every single day. That's leverage. You will destroy your competition in your niche, whatever it is you do. We all do stuff. You're watching, you probably have a job if you're watching this, or you maybe already have a business, or you may be good at something. You get maximum amount of leverage when you can reach out to anybody and connect with anybody at any given moment, and you can put something out and make money in an instant. It's broke boy insurance. That's what it is. Having a personal brand is broke boy insurance. You will never go broke if you have a solid personal brand, because let's say your business burns to the ground and your investments burn to the ground and you're left with zero. You can always tap back in to your audience. So this, my friends, is the greatest business opportunity of 2025. And I will say that, not that the door is closing on it, because there's always going to be an opportunity to grow, but it's getting harder. There's more people out here than ever growing their personal brand. We're part of it. We're on that wave. I've grown mine. I've grown tons of clients. Guys like this, look, it's not just me growing my brand. Look at all these people that are clients of mine that we have helped, okay? Like Ben and Joe and Jake and Mason and Brennan and Will and Steve and Connor, Anthony Bell. Like, there's tons of people doing this that we've helped. We've helped hundreds. And there's millions out there that are doing this right now. And if you don't start posting and they're in your industry, they are going to take your market share. So if you're smart, you will jump on this. You will jump on one of the three options. You will build your brand. This is the greatest opportunity of 2025 and beyond, probably this decade, to be honest. Yes, I'm financially incentivized to say that, but I also believe it. I build a business around what I believe in, and this is truly what I believe in. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. By the way, my name is Nick. I don't know if I said that. We are responsible for over 8 figures in sales for ourselves and clients, and growing up to 6 million followers on multiple pages and some of my done-for-you clients. We've absolutely smashed it, and now I make these videos to help people and also to grow my own business through this channel. So if you're new here, subscribe, grab some of our resources below. There's also some more info on what we do and how we help, and I appreciate you guys being here. I will see you in the next one.